Maximizing space in a small master bedroom requires smart design choices. Use light colors on walls and bedding to create an open and airy feel. Multifunctional furniture, like beds with built-in storage or floating nightstands, help save space. Mirrors can reflect light and create the illusion of a larger room. Keep clutter minimal by using hidden storage solutions, and opt for wall-mounted lighting to free up nightstand space. Vertical shelving can help utilize wall space efficiently without overwhelming the room. Modern master bedrooms blend simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics. To achieve a modern look, opt for neutral color palettes like whites, grays, or earth tones combined with bold accent colors. Furniture should have clean lines with minimalistic details. Incorporate sleek lighting fixtures such as pendant lights or recessed lighting to enhance the ambience. To create a cozy feel, layer textures with soft bedding, area rugs, and throw pillows. Statement wall decor, like oversized artwork or geometric designs, can add personality without cluttering the space. The right color palette can significantly influence the mood of a master bedroom. Soft neutrals like beige, ivory, or taupe create a serene environment. Cool shades like blues, greens, and lavenders promote relaxation and sleep. Earthy tones such as warm browns and soft terracottas provide a grounding effect. Avoid overly bright or neon colors, which can be too stimulating. Incorporate accent colors through pillows, throws, or artwork to maintain balance. Decorating a master bedroom on a budget is possible with a few creative approaches. Repainting the walls is a cost-effective way to transform the space. DIY headboards, thrifted furniture makeovers, and affordable wall art can enhance aesthetics without breaking the bank. Switching out bedding, adding stylish yet inexpensive curtains, and using peel-and-stick wallpaper for an accent wall are budget-friendly updates. Consider rearranging furniture for a fresh look and incorporating soft lighting like fairy lights or candles for a cozy feel. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and functionality of a bedroom. Layering different lighting sources is key. Start with overhead lighting, such as chandeliers or flush mounts, for general illumination. Add bedside table lamps or wall-mounted sconces for reading and ambience. LED strip lights under the bed or behind a headboard can create a modern aesthetic. Dimmer switches allow for adjustable brightness, making it easy to switch between relaxation and productivity modes. Clever storage solutions help keep the master bedroom tidy and organized. Underbed storage with pull-out drawers or rolling bins is ideal for keeping extra linens and clothing out of sight. Wall-mounted shelves provide additional storage without taking up floor space. Built-in wardrobes or customized closets can maximize space efficiently. Utilizing furniture with hidden storage compartments, such as ottomans or nightstands with drawers, ensures practicality without compromising style. A seating area adds functionality and comfort. If space allows, a love seat or armchairs paired with a small coffee table can create a mini lounge. A bench at the foot of the bed serves as both a stylish and practical addition. A window seat with built-in storage provides a cozy nook while maximizing space. For compact rooms, a single accent chair in a corner with a floor lamp can work as a subtle seating arrangement. A sleep-friendly bedroom includes soft color palettes, blackout curtains, and clutter-free surfaces. Comfortable bedding, soundproof elements like rugs or curtains, and essential oil diffusers with calming scents like lavender can enhance relaxation. Limiting electronic distractions and using warm lighting instead of harsh fluorescents can further promote restful sleep.